Question number 10 is talk about the high volatility and high electrical conductivity at the same time. Okay. So first about high electrical conductivity in aqueous solution, because A and D are covalent structure. Even in aqueous solution, that low ions are formed, so they would not conduct electricity. But hydrochloric acid and sodium chloride, they will dissociate into ions in aqueous solution, so they conduct electricity. How about the high volatility rate at the pure state? Okay, for sodium chloride, they are connected by ionic bonds. Okay, so even in the pure state, they have a high boiling point and low evaporation rate, so they are not volatile. But hydrochloric acid, they don't have a hydrogen bonding. Okay, so in the pure state, even about 30% of the pure state, their boiling point will be lower quickly and the evaporation rate will be very high, so they are high volatility, even about 30% or 36%. Okay, not talking about in the pure state. So the answer is B. Thank you.